Lady Bushra is razor sharp, funny, the reluctant, cool aunt.
At the time, I was considered foreign exotic, do you know what I mean? Like, ah, you've got brown skin. I was like, I know, I totally, I'm from Bradford. Do you know what I mean?
Bushras, sort of like a derogatory term used towards South Asian girls, particularly around where I grew up. Girls who are larger than life, they're boisterous. People will say, oh, you're such a Bushra, or don't be a Bushra. I'm here to say, be more like Bushra. I can see the eyebrows beginning to fade away. I grew up in a very ultra-Orthodox household, a child of migrant parents, and my parents very much did the best that they could. At the time, it wasn't the most LGBT-friendly growing up environment, but you know, you find your tribe as you move along.
That table is for my family over here. Hopefully one day they'll turn up.
Remember to be yourself, particularly to the South Asian community. We were led to believe that there is some sort of cosmic record being kept on us, and we have to constantly look over our backs and think about what people are going to say. Nobody cares. So you might as well do what makes you happy. I'm a living example of that.